Hi guys, Namastey. എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ പുതുവത്സര ആശംസകൾ. Today is Chingam 1, the first day of the Malayalam New Year, and I'm here with one of the most prominent dishes in an Onam Sadya, that is Parippu. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm taking a cup of Moong Dal or Cheru Parippu, also called as Split Yellow Green Gram. This yields for a family of 6 to 7. I have pressure cooked it for about 4 to 5 whistles with a little bit of salt and water. I have mashed it to form a lump-free paste. While the dal is cooking, we are going to take 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 3 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 green chilies, and some curry leaves. Now I have ground it to form a smooth paste. Now to make parippu, heat a pan and add this ground coconut mixture to it. Mix well and add about half to quarter cup of hot water. Mix well again. You can add leftover or extra water from the dal you have cooked before. Now let this mixture come to a boil. To this, we are going to add the mashed dal. Mix well. And add more hot water if it is too thick. Please note that the dal tends to thicken the longer it sits. So keep stirring and add water accordingly. Add curry leaves and season it with some salt. Mix well again. I've added a few more curry leaves here. Now drizzle a tablespoon of ghee. Mix well and that's it. Your Kerala Parippu Curry is ready. Serve it with papadums and don't forget to pour melted ghee over the curry once you serve. Crush the papadums and enjoy. Bye and see you soon. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.